Ameriprise Financial, Incorporated is a diversified U.S. financial services company. Ameriprise Financial engages in business through its subsidiaries, providing financial planning, products and services, including wealth management, asset management, insurance, annuities and estate planning. Ameriprise Financial, Incorporated, the holding company, is incorporated in Delaware. The company's headquarters are in Minneapolis, Minnesota. James Cracchiolo is the chairman and chief executive officer. The company's primary subsidiaries include Ameriprise Financial Services, Incorporated, Columbia Management Investment Advisors, LLC, and RiverSource Life Insurance Company. Threadneedle Asset Management is Ameriprise Financial's international asset manager, and a provider of investments to institutional and retail clients. History: Spinoff from American Express, Ameriprise Financial is the successor to American Express Financial Advisors, a former subsidiary of the American Express Company. In 2005, American Express spun off AEFA as an independent company. AEFA's new name, Ameriprise Financial, Incorporated, came into effect August 1, 2005, and the spin-off transaction closed on September 30, 2005. Timeline: Ameriprise Financial began life as Investors Syndicate in 1894. Here are a few of the company's key milestones. 1894, John Tappan founds Investors Syndicate in Minneapolis, Minnesota. 1925, West Coast businessman J.R. Ridgway merges his investment firm with Investors Syndicate, takes over as president. 1937, upon the death of then 50-year-old J.R. Ridgway Sr. from leukemia, 23-year-old J.R. Ridgway, Jr. is appointed president. 1940, Investors Syndicate introduces one of the first mutual funds, the Investors Mutual Fund, giving clients new investing options and two advantages: diversification and professional management. By the 1960s, Investors Mutual Fund is the largest balanced mutual fund in the world. 1949, Investors Syndicate changes its name to Investors Diversified Services, Incorporated. 1958, IDS founds the Investors Syndicate Life Insurance and Annuity Company. 1974, the IDS Center is opened in downtown Minneapolis as the company's headquarters. 1979, Ridgway family sells off last of its ownership interest. IDS became a wholly owned subsidiary of Allegheny Corporation pursuant to a merger. 1984, American Express completes acquisition of IDS Financial Services from Allegheny Corporation. Company renamed as American Express Financial Advisors. 1986, IDS acquires Wisconsin Employers Casualty Company of Green Bay and renames it IDS Property Casualty Insurance Company. 1994, IDS reaches $100 billion in assets and conducts business under the American Express brand. 2003, American Express Financial Corporation acquires London-based Threadneedle Asset Management Holdings. 2005, American Express Financial Corporation spins off and becomes an independent company named Ameriprise Financial, Incorporated. Begins trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol AMP. 2006, Ameriprise Financial launches Ameriprise Bank, FSB. 2007, Ameriprise Financial debuts at 297 on the Fortune 500 list. 2008, Ameriprise Financial acquires H&R Block Financial Advisors for $315 million, and the asset management firm J. and W. Slickman & Company for $400 million. Declines U.S. government financial assistance. 2009, Ameriprise Financial acquires long-term asset management business of Columbia Management for $1.2 billion from Bank of America. 2011, Ameriprise Financial takes its proprietary Dream Plan Track approach to financial planning to consumers in India. Business: Ameriprise Financial is the largest financial planning company in the United States and is among the 25 largest asset managers in the world. It is ranked 246 in the 2011 Fortune 500. Business lines: Ameriprise Financial is in wealth management and retirement planning in the U.S. and also works as an asset manager with global business. Wealth management and retirement. Ameriprise Financial specializes in retirement-related financial planning for relatively well-off clients. As of December 31, 2010, the company has about 3 million clients and $672.7 billion in owned, managed and administered assets worldwide. The company offers variable annuities and life and disability insurance. It also operates Ameriprise Bank, FSB, which offers a variety of consumer banking and lending products and personal trust and related services. Ameriprise Financial received publicity for moving more quickly than some other full-service wealth management firms to develop social media for its advisors and investors, for example via LinkedIn. Asset management. Ameriprise Financial operates two complementary asset management platforms, Columbia Management in the U.S. and Threadneedle internationally. The company reported as having $436 billion in assets under management as of December 31, 2011, placing it 8th in long-term mutual fund assets in the U.S., 4th in retail funds in the UK and 27th in global assets under management. Principal brands. The company uses three principal brands for its businesses in the United States: Ameriprise Financial, Columbia Management and RiverSource. The Threadneedle brand is used for its international asset manager unregistered trademark S products. Ameriprise Financial Services. Ameriprise Financial Services, Incorporated, a financial planning and retail distribution subsidiary which operates under the Ameriprise Financial brand name, is a registered broker-dealer and registered investment advisor. It has an integrated model of comprehensive and personalized financial planning, diversified product manufacturing and affiliated and unaffiliated distribution through its network of financial advisors and registered representatives. The retail products and services that use the Ameriprise Financial brand include those that the company provides through its affiliated advisors and products and services that it markets directly to consumers. Columbia Management. This is the primary brand for the company's U.S. asset management products and services, including retail and institutional asset management products. Following the completion of the acquisition of the long-term asset management business of the Columbia Management Group from Bank of America in April 2010, the company combined RiverSource Investments, its legacy U.S. asset management business, with Columbia Management, under the Columbia Management brand. RiverSource. This is the brand for the company's annuities products and for the protection products issued by the RiverSource Life companies, including life and disability income insurance products. Sale of Securities America. Securities America Financial Corporation unregistered trademark S roots go back to Financial Dynamics, an insurance marketing organization founded in 1984 by Steve Wild that had between 10,000 and 12,000 independent insurance agents affiliated with the firm. Financial Dynamics created Securities America, an independent securities broker-dealer, to use its insurance sales force to offer investments. Securities America Advisors Incorporated, and second registered investment advisory firm, was founded in 1993 to offer investment management, financial advice and financial planning through a national network of independent financial advisors. In 1998, Securities America was acquired by American Express. In October 2005, after Ameriprise Financial spin-off from American Express, Securities America became a wholly owned subsidiary of Ameriprise Financial, but continued to operate independently as a Nebraska-based broker-dealer and serving independent financial advisors across the country. Securities America acquired Bresk & Young Advisors, a California-based broker-dealer, and its subsidiary, Iron Point Capital Management, from Security Benefit Corporation of Topeka, Kansas. Securities America had received the inaugural Practitioner Thought Leadership Award from the Retirement Income Industry Association in March 2011, and was ranked as the seventh largest independent broker-dealer based on total revenues in the U.S., according to a June 2011 Financial Planning magazine survey. On April 25, 2011, Ameriprise announced that it is trying to find an appropriate buyer for Securities America Financial Corporation and its subsidiaries. Ameriprise said that this move will independent allow Securities America advisors and registered representatives who conduct business without utilizing the Ameriprise brand to focus on growth opportunities in the independent channel. In November 2011, Ameriprise completed the sale of Securities America to Ladenburg Thalmann Financial Services for $150 million in cash and potential future payments. Ameriprise claimed that selling this independent broker-dealer allows Ameriprise to focus its efforts on servicing and developing its branded advisor network. International subsidiaries: Threadneedle Asset Management Holdings. Threadneedle Asset Management Holdings SARL is a Luxembourg-based holding company for the Threadneedle Group of companies and a wholly owned independent subsidiary of Ameriprise Financial, which provides investment management products and services to clients in the United Kingdom, Europe, the Middle East and the Asia-Pacific region. Though acquired by Ameriprise Financial in 2003, Threadneedle operates as an independent international asset manager, under its own brand name, management organization and operating, compliance and technology infrastructure. Threadneedle primarily provides international investment products and services, and Ameriprise Financial, through an arrangement with Threadneedle, offers certain international and U.S. equity strategies to its U.S. clients. In 2008, Threadneedle acquired Invesco Perpetual's full-service defined contribution pension business with total assets of £470 million, followed by acquisition of Standard Chartered Bank unregistered trademark S World Express Funds investment funds business in 2009, the latter providing Threadneedle with an established Luxembourg-based SICAV platform with over $2.38 billion worth assets under management as at April 30, 2009. In August 2011 it was announced that Threadneedle would acquire the investment assets of LV Equals amounting to some £8 billion. At December 31, 2010, Threadneedle had $105.6 billion in managed assets worldwide, and was expanding distribution of its institutional products in Europe, Asia, US, Middle East and Australia. Ameriprise India: in early 2012, Ameriprise announced that it had begun offering retail financial planning and distribution services in India through its subsidiary, Ameriprise India Private Limited. Ameriprise has also established an insurance brokerage entity in India that is licensed to deal in insurance products by India unregistered trademark S Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Ameriprise India has established offices in Delhi, Gurgaon, Greater Noida, Mumbai and Pune, with a plan to expand to other Indian metro areas in the future. As with its U.S. financial planning business, Ameriprise India provides holistic financial planning services through its trained advisor force. Fees are received for delivering financial plans. However, Ameriprise India does not currently sell affiliated investment or insurance products, instead refers clients who elect to implement their financial plan to third-party product manufacturers to purchase recommended investment and/or insurance products. Acquisitions and restructuring: in September 2009, Ameriprise Financial acquired Columbia Management, the long-term asset management business of Bank of America, for US $1 billion. In 2012, Ameriprise Financial announced the purchase of the Starwood Luxury Collection property Hotel Ivy and Restaurant. The company had earlier purchased Oak Ridge Hotel and Conference Center in Chaska, Minnesota, which is used as a training and meeting facility, as well as to rent out to the public. In January 2013, Ameriprise Financial completed the conversion of its Federal Savings Bank subsidiary, Ameriprise Bank, FSB, to a limited powers National Trust Bank, which conversion included changing the name of this subsidiary to Ameriprise National Trust Bank. Locations: Ameriprise Financial's headquarters is located at 55 Ameriprise Financial Center, Minneapolis, Minnesota, 55474. It maintains executive offices at 7 World Trade Center, New York, 10007. Its offices in Wall Street, New York provides portfolio management, banking, marketing and various support functions. Ameriprise Financial's employee and franchised financial advisor branch offices are located throughout the United States. Columbia Management is based in Boston, and has investment management teams in Chicago, Los Angeles, Minneapolis, New York, Menlo Park and Portland. RiverSource Life has offices in Minneapolis, Green Bay, Phoenix, Boston, Los Angeles, New York and London. RiverSource Life Insurance Company of New York and American Centurion Life are located in Albany, New York. Ameriprise Advisor Center has locations in Minneapolis and Las Vegas. Ameriprise Auto and Home Insurance is located in Green Bay and Phoenix. Threadneedle is headquartered in Luxembourg and maintains its primary investment operations in London in the United Kingdom. Ameriprise Financial also has employees located in offices at Bangalore, the National Capital Region, WNS and Infosys DLF Phase -3, Gurgaon and Mumbai in India. Ameriprise Advisors, as of December 31, 2011, Ameriprise Financial reported as having more than 9,700 branded advisors, the fifth largest branded advisor force in the U.S. Ameriprise Financial Advisors recommend actions and a broad range of products consisting of investment, annuity, insurance, banking and other financial products to clients based on an appropriate range and level of risk. The financial advisors charge clients for financial advice and selling products. There are 4 ways the financial advisors affiliate with Ameriprise Financial. Approximately 60% of Ameriprise's financial advisors are independent contractor franchisees. They are not employed by Ameriprise, but are licensed registered representatives of Ameriprise and do not receive a salary from the parent company. About 1/4 of financial advisors are employed by Ameriprise. Ameriprise Financial Services, Incorporated has the largest number of these professionals among any retail advisory force. The majority of the employee advisors work in local offices like their franchisee counterparts. Over 120 of the employee advisors work within the corporate office in Minneapolis as part of the Ameriprise Advisor Center. These advisors are fully licensed securities and insurance professionals that have received additional training which allows them to assist clients exclusively by telephone. They are required to hold the Series 7 and Series 63 Financial Industry Regulatory Authority licenses, along with insurance licenses in all states they serve, and are encouraged to acquire their Chartered Retirement Planning Counselor professional designation from the College of Financial Planning, and are reimbursed for the cost. The company also has associate financial advisors, employed by the independent contractor franchisees. Many Ameriprise advisors are certified financial planners, and the company actively encourages attaining this designation. Many advisors also hold similar designations such as the CLU or CHFC. Awards and accolades. A few awards and recognition received by Ameriprise Financial are as follows: 2012. Ranked 6th on the 2012 Best Places list in the large company category by the Minneapolis-St. Paul Business Journal. Corporate Volunteerism Council Twin Cities honored Ameriprise Financial with the Community Partner Award in May 2012 for the company's 2011 National Day of Service initiative. Ranked 248 on the 2012 Fortune 500, a list of top 500 largest U.S. corporations by revenue. Web Marketing Association presented Columbia Management with the Best Financial Services Online Campaign Award as part of the 2012 IAC Award for Outstanding Achievement in Internet Advertising. Ameriprise Auto and Home Insurance named the Next Generation Best Place to Work by the Green Bay Chamber of Commerce. 5 Columbia Management Funds received Lipper Fund Awards as top-performing mutual funds in their respective categories. The Wall Street Journal named 9 Columbia Management Funds as Category Kings in its Investing in Funds, a quarterly analysis issue. 2011 TNS Choice Award in Investment Services for its superior client retention performance, client satisfaction, and Ameriprise advisors' strong relationships with their clients. Ranked number 29 in Barron's 13th Annual Top 500 list of American companies that have generated the most revenue growth and cash returns released in May 2011. 2011 Lipper Fund Awards for 7 Columbia Management Funds as top-performing mutual funds in their respective categories. 2010 Earthshare National Campaign Partner Award for Excellence for Ameriprise's 2010 Annual Employee Giving Campaign. Ranked number 1 on Financial Advisor Magazine 2009 Broker-Dealer Ranking, Best Places to Work for LGBT Equality, Human Rights Campaign, 2010, 2009, listed in College Grads Top Entry-Level Employers for 2009. Ranked 5th in overall client satisfaction in a 2009 J.D. Power and Associates survey of full-service financial advisory firms. Ranked as the 67th best place to launch a career in a 2009 national survey by Business Week. Criticism and controversy. Securities America was fined $5.4 million in 2003 for letting a broker work under a false name in its Orlando office and allegedly make bogus investments. In 2005, Ameriprise agreed to pay a $12.3 million to settle NASD charges relating to favorable treatment allegedly given to some mutual funds in exchange for brokerage business. In mid-2005, the state of New Hampshire reached a $7.4 million settlement with American Express Financial Advisors, alleging the company had violated the law by rewarding their financial advisors for recommending underperforming in-house mutual funds to clients. Also in 2005, Ameriprise Financial entered into a $15 million settlement with the SEC for charges of market timing. The Minnesota Department of Commerce levied $2 million in fines for similar market timing violations. The National Association of Securities Dealers fined Ameriprise an additional $12.3 million for unsuitable share sales. Ameriprise, having become a separate company, had not revealed which funds were timed, or the names of the people involved and the exact nature of the disciplinary action taken. Morningstar temporarily reduced the stewardship grade for Ameriprise's funds, although it did not impact the fund's overall star ratings from that firm. In 2006, the NASD threatened to suspend the company for failing to pay an arbitration award to a former broker. In September 2006, Securities America reached a $16.3 million settlement with a group of ExxonMobil Corporation retirees for failing to supervise an associated broker. On July 11, 2007, the NASD fined Securities America $375,000 for improperly sharing directed brokerage commissions from a mutual fund company with a former Securities America broker. Another NASD arbitration panel awarded $9.3 million to 3 retired American Airlines pilots against Securities America and a formerly associated broker for allegedly mishandling their savings. Other airline pilots have arbitration claims pending. On July 10, 2009, the Securities and Exchange Commission announced an enforcement action against Ameriprise for receiving millions of dollars in undisclosed revenue sharing as a condition for selling certain real estate investment trusts to its brokerage customers. Ameriprise agreed to pay $17.3 million to settle the SEC's charges, however the period in which SEC states the violations took place were prior to the spin-off from American Express. On April 15, 2011, Securities America, Incorporated and its holding company, Securities America Financial Corporation, entered into settlement agreements related to the sale of private placement securities issued by Medical Capital and Provident Royalties that resulted in a $118 million pre-tax charge in the first quarter of 2011. The charge is in addition to a $40 million pre-tax charge in the fourth quarter of 2010. Competitors: New York Life, John Hancock Financial Services, Edward Jones Investments, T. Rowe Price, The Charles Schwab Corporation, Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley Smith Barney, Linsco Private Ledger, The Vanguard Group, American Century Investments, E-Trade, Scottrade, Fidelity Investments, Waddell & Reed. See also, American Express, Columbia Management, RiverSource, Notes. External links: Ameriprise Financial, official site, Ameriprise Investor Relations. A small group of historical corporate records of IDS are available for research use at the Minnesota Historical Society. FINRA Broker Check Page, J.D. Power Ranking of Online Brokers, Financial Fact Sheet and History. Ameriprise, 2006. Ameriprise Financial completes first year as an independent, public company. Ameriprise Financial. October 3, 2006. NASD finds Ameriprise Financial Services, Incorporated $500,000 for supervisory violations in 529 college savings plan sales. NASD. October 26, 2005 Ameriprise Financial chosen as new name for American Express Financial Advisors. Ameriprise Financial. May 25, 2005 American Express to Spinoff Financial Advisors business to shareholders. Ameriprise Financial. February 1, 2005